And welcome to the Old Kirk, and a warm welcome to those watching online. We also welcome members of the Royal Scots Fusiliers and the Royal Highland Veterans Associations, who are both here with us today for this very special service. A couple of items in the family news to draw your attention to. There will be a session meeting on Tuesday at 7:15, and communion cards and booklets are available for elders in the vestibule. Also a reminder that next week will be the final week to bring items for the food bank appeal. All the stuff will be going the first week in December. So if you still would like to give something, then please make sure you bring it along next week. The rest of the informations you can read at your leisure. I would ask Malky if he would light a candle of peace. Thank you. Let's worship God as we sing Mission Praise number 20. All people that on earth do worship.